Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on or off. Use the USB cable to connect the device with the computer. The equipment will be turned on automatically and the status light will be showing steady green. Press and hold the Bluetooth button to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. The source LED will flash blue if the Bluetooth is not paired. Turn on your Bluetooth on your phone or your computer, and once the EMEET product appearing on your pairing list, tap to start pairing. When the Bluetooth is paired, the source LED will be showing steady blue. When Bluetooth is connected, short press the Bluetooth button to disconnect. Short press the Bluetooth button again to reconnect. Short press for volume up. Short press for volume down. Short press to mute the microphone. Short press to unmute the microphone. Short press when powered on to indicate the battery level. Short press to answer or end phone calls. Long press to reject the incoming call. You can also customize settings such as upgrading firmwares, changing Bluetooth names and standby time based on your needs.